Hi, in this video, I will show you how we deploy the Power BI files into the Power BI services using the Azure GitHub repo, and we go through the CICD process. And to get into the detail and the demo, I will show you the historical of the CICD process and DevOps operations. As you may know that we have the process we call the CICD. CI is the continuous improvement, and CD is continuous deployment or continuous delivery. So at the step number one, you need to have the plans that you want to deploy some things on the target environment, like we deploy the resources to the Azure AWS and whatever you want. So we have the plan. We need to do the code, build something. After we code, we need to build the package. So and then we have the package already built. We need to test the package, and we test the codes. And then after the test was done, we apply some criteria to our code or perform the unit test or integration test. We need to release our code package into the target environment, and in order to release, we have go through the deployment process. And after we deploy, we need to operate the what is your change, what is the code on the target environment. And after we operate or during we operate, we need to measure or monitor our code change. So we know this is the infinities close loop. So this is the DevOps process, the CICD process. And go into detail with Azure DevOps. So Azure DevOps is a tool or the combination of the services that support you to do the CICD. And we would like to understand from the DevOps to the BI Ops. DevOps, that means we deploy the development or the applications, and the BI Ops might be you want to deploy the BI, the visualization tool, the business intelligence tools. So this is the introduction to the Azure DevOps. So you have the combination of the services on the Azure. So we have the plan that we use Azure board. We have the Azure Git repo. We deploy using the Azure pipeline. Deploy using the artifact, and we have the test plan here. In order to release or deploy the package, we have the Azure deployment apps or Azure services. And then we have the more configuration up and operate, which is the Azure reporting or Azure services or Azure SQL database. And then we have the monitor tools or monitor service. We call the Azure Monitor or Azure Log. So this is the combination, very interesting, and different combination, different set from another cloud provider like AWS or GCP. But it's quite, the process is the same, but the tools and the services may be different. So jumping into detail how we can deploy the Power BI files. I will show you the BI Devs, BI Ops diagram. So for example, we have the Power BI file here, and the developer will deploy a Power BI on a local machine. Then we put into the Git repo, Azure Git repo. We go through the CI. We need to package the Power BI file into the zip file, build, and that means we run something, compress the Power BI file, and then on the cloud machine, we need to test our Power BI files using some deploy into the development process, and we run the testing like we call the API of the Power BI. Once the test done, we need to release the artifact that the CICD can consume the file or consume the artifact and do the configuration, and we deploy into the target environment. And then we have the Azure monitoring tools, which is used to monitor all the deployment process and also monitor the Power BI services. So, and I'm gonna jump to the demo. This video will show you how you can deploy Power BI using the data pipeline Azure DevOps. So you can see this CICD pipeline, and we have to commit all the file. You can click on the job, and then you check out the copy file, which is the Power BI file, and then we publish the artifact into the repository. And then this is the CD you can check on the release number 8, and here we go. We can have the C deployment on the dev environment, and you can see that all the action that the Power BI will do. That means we deploy into the Power BI services. And then if you click it on the log here, you can see all the logs that the Power BI will be deployed. So check on the data pipeline. So you can see this is the pipeline from end to end, from dataset to report and dashboard. You can click on the dashboard and you can show here's the dashboard that we deploy from the dev environment to a higher environment. So you can see some basic chart from Microsoft that I use. And if you can check it on the data pipeline, you can see that the model pipelines. And here we go. We have all the artifacts that we need to deploy into the higher environments, and we separate into the different environments for the development and quality environments. So if you have any question, check out the link below. Thanks.